Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to draw a graffiti chain. So I recommend to do this on a lined paper. So now first let me draw a rough sketch and then we will start sketching it, and you can draw it when I sketch. So to start you need to draw a line. So now I have drawn the chain. So now let's start sketching it. Now you can draw this chain. First draw a line and then 3 lines after it. And then again draw 3 lines after leaving a line. But you have to draw those 3 lines under the first 3 lines. Repeat this until you want to end the chain. You can make it as long as you want. I have made it here. So now after you have drawn, you have to match each first line with the second line. So first I take this first line and then second line at the bottom. And then again this first line with this second line at the bottom. Then this. After that you have to match every second line with the third line. Just like this only. So see, first this, and then complete it till the end. After you have drawn that, you have to do some modifications like this. First you have to close this from every side. So do like this, here, and then other side. And this is almost ready, only we need to close it from the top and bottom. And here is our graffiti chain ready. So friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe my video. Bye.